Hey guys, Javen here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to blow dry your hair to get the perfect hair fringe. So it's been about 5 weeks since I got my last haircut. Time to get a new one. And this is the before video. So this barber basically wet my hair while he cut it. So it looks kind of weird, but then I'm gonna shower and show you guys the finished product. So yeah guys, I just got out of the shower and as you can see I got my fresh new two-blow haircut. So today my regular barber wasn't there, so I had to get my haircut from another person, and I straight up just showed him this picture right here and then told him to just shave the sides like that and leave the top and back, like don't touch it. So he did that, he shaved the sides and back, and then over here he just used a thinning shear to thin it out, and then over here like that, basically he just cut a line like this to make it even and look nice. So yeah, this is the finished product. And as always, I also get my sideburns. I don't really ask them to cut like a line. I like it natural, but then just because I'm Asian, my hair doesn't really grow a lot on my sideburns, but I would like to have that. Now I'm going to show you how to blow dry my hair properly to get like the perfect bangs or hair fringe. When I was blow drying my hair, I was doing this kind of motion. This is because when I was doing this, it kind of let the hair falls naturally to give that perfect hair fringe look. And also I was using high heat because high heat will hold your hair in shape kind of better, and this makes it dry faster too. So yeah, my hair on the front right now is pretty much even. There's no clumps or anything on my hair fringe and bangs. As you can see, everything is just neat. To get nice hair fringe like this, you don't really need any hair products. Just use your blow dryer and you're good to go. But if you want a different hairstyle, you can always put some wax or gel and then put some hairspray on it and switch it up, go like the sideway kind of thing, or this hair is even long enough to go all the way back if you choose to do so. For me, my favorite hairstyle is like this, the 2-block regular haircut. If you like this video, let me know down in the comments below and chat back next time.